Hey folks, I got a great new car to tell you about. This car just came in here at ClassicMuscleCars.com. This is a 1972 442 350 automatic, power steering, power brakes. It's just a beautiful, beautiful car. It's a very rare color combination. This is called flame orange iridescent. Very rare for 1972. When you look at this car, and you get up on it close, you can see the iridescence to the paint, which is really a different color of metallics, and it's just an awesome color. Now, this car, it just came in, so we got a few things to do to it, but I want to tell you it's got one incredible price tag on it. We were just looking it up in the book. The book value on the car from Cars That Matter, CarsThatMatter.com, is $34,900. Now, our price in this car, folks, is $18,775. That's an incredible buy. This is a great value. You're going to automatically walk into this car. You're picking up a beautiful collector car that you can take out, drive, and enjoy and show, and you're picking up money in your pocket right now, because the appraised value that we're going to give here by a certified appraiser on this particular car is $25,000. So folks, for $18,775, this is an incredible buy. The 1972 442 was the last year for this body style. This is a Cutlass S model. The 73 and up 442s, they look nothing like it. The cutoff point is 72. That's the ones that are most popular. From 70, 71, 72, all had this body style. It's a beautiful car. It's got new paint. It's got an excellent original interior. It's got new rubber. And I want to show you something. This is how Oldsmobiles are. This is why I love Oldsmobiles, Jeremy. Hit the key and they fire right up. Car runs and drives just like this. It's just a great car. It's a great buy. It's a great investment at $18,775. Now, you need to give Randy a call at 847-526-5950. He can give you more information. He could send you some pictures through email on this, or you can come out here and take a look at it, whatever you want to do. But folks, it's not going to last long, because you can't find too many cars in this kind of a caliber for that kind of money. A great buy from ClassicMuscleCars.com.
Rock and roll. No, 442. Flame orange iridescent 1972 442. Rare color. Let's go for a walk around and see what she looks like. We're up front. Bumper chrome's looking good. Grille is in excellent condition. And we have the blacked out headlight housings. Continuing around, the hood inlay, looking nice. Nice set of color matching rally wheels. Stainless stairs looking great. Back windows in excellent condition. Chrome back here is looking good as well. Dual chrome trumpets on the exhaust, and the taillight lenses are in great shape. Nice and laser straight. Let's check out under the hood. You can see that it's an air-conditioned car, power steering, power brakes. Nicely cleaned up. Very nice. Let's go check out inside. And inside, we have what's called saddle interior. And it's nice and clean too. We have a functional dome light. And up in front, we've got a nice 4-spoke sport wheel. We've got some aftermarket gauges, oil pressure, ammeter, and water temperature. We're looking at 25,000 on the odometer, and it's got a clock. We have a Jensen car radio there, AM FM cassette, and your two of them, double stereo. Dash is looking good. Headliner's in great shape. And in the trunk, spare. We have a jack, we have some floor mats. It's looking quite nice. We have a nice, fresh, soft seal. Looking good. (1972) Olds 442 Flame Orange Iridescent, brought to you by ClassicMuscleCars.com.